A very good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing about excretory system part 2. Here we are discussing the internal structure of kidney and its function. Let us discuss about the internal structure of kidney. Yes, in this diagram you can see this is kidney, longitudinal section of kidney. Mainly you can see two main regions. The outer regions that is called cortex. Outer dark cortex region you can see. Then inner side that is lighter region. Yes, inner lighter medulla. These are the two main regions present in kidney. Outer cortex and inner medulla. But by labeling the diagram, you have to mention is the term renal. Do you know what is renal? Yes, it's of course you already learned that in circulatory system, right? Renal artery, you learned that, right? Yes. Then if it is related to kidney, you have to write renal cortex. Then renal medulla. Inner medulla or renal medulla. This is one of the important region present in the kidney. Here you have to remember two terms, conical pyramids and papilla. Yes, what is conical pyramids? The medulla composed of finely striped substances. The medulla composed of finely striped substances arranged in several conical pyramids. These striped substances are arranged in conical pyramids, pyramid-shaped structures, right? Yes. Say conical pyramid. In that what is present is striped substances are present. Then another term papilla. At the apex of each pyramid, you can see this is the apex of each pyramid. Yes, this apex of each pyramid is called papilla. Then this apex or the papilla projects into renal pelvis. This papilla is projecting into what? It projects into renal pelvis or pelvis of the kidney. We can use the term renal because it is related to kidney. Yes. The next region of the kidney, that is outer cortex or renal cortex. Here you can see the portion of the cortical tissue extend in between the renal pyramids. Yes, extend in between the adjacent renal pyramid. That cortical tissue that extend into the renal pyramid, that region we call it as renal columns. Then all of you know that renal pyramid is a part of inner medulla or renal medulla. Then this cortical tissues extend between the adjacent renal pyramid. Renal tubules or kidney tubules or nephrons or uriniferous tubules. So many terms, right? So many names. Renal tubules, kidney tubules, nephrons, uriniferous tubules. These all are same. Renal tubules, kidney tubules, nephrons or uriniferous tubules. Okay, then examination point of view, this is very important. These all terms you have to know. These all are same. And what is that? What is this nephron or uriniferous tubules? Or these all terms? Yes, what is that? The structural and functional unit of kidney. This nephron or uriniferous tubule or renal tubule or kidney tubules, these are structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, then another point, The kidney is composed of enormous number of minute tubules. This type of nephrons, this is nephron. These nephrons are not only one, yes, numerous number of nephrons you can see in a single kidney, numerous number. Then inside this kidney, yes, we can see numerous number of nephrons. Yes, that is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Where it is located, this nephron? Nephron is located inside the kidney, in the kidney, right? Nephron or renal tubule or uriniferous tubule or kidney tubule. What are the main parts of nephron? Yes, you can see in this picture, mainly 4 main parts are there. First one, bowman's capsule. Yes, then first or proximal convoluted tubule. Then loop of Henle or middle U-shaped part. Then distal convoluted tubule or DCT, that is, yes, after loop of Henle you can see a convoluted structure. Yes, that is distal convoluted tubule or DCT. Bowman's capsule, that is the first part of nephron. What is the structure of Bowman's capsule? In this picture, you can see that yes, cup-like structure, that is Bowman's capsule. Its hollow internal space continues into the tubule. You can see here, then this tubule is hollow. Yes, that will continue to the next part of nephron. This hollow internal space continues into the kidney tubule or nephron. Then the outer cavity of the cup. Here you can see the outer cavity. The outer cavity of the cup lodges a knot-like mass of blood capillaries. Knot-like mass of blood capillaries. This knot of blood capillaries, we call it as glomerulus. It's very important. The knot of blood capillaries present inside the cavity, the cup-like cavity, that is called glomerulus. Yes, next point of Bowman's capsule, that is location of Bowman's capsule. Where it is located? It is located in the cortex region of the kidney. Here you can see the cortex region. It is located in the cortex region of the kidney. Yes, then one more point you have to remember, that is Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together called Malpighian capsule or renal capsule. This Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together we call it as Malpighian capsule. Very important term is or renal capsule. The another name of Malpighian capsule, that is renal capsule. You don't confuse with these terms renal capsule and renal tubule, because renal capsule is the another name of Malpighian capsule and renal tubule is the another name of nephron. We can say renal tubule, uriniferous tubule, kidney tubules. These all coming under the another name of nephron, but renal capsule is the another name of Malpighian capsule. The next part of renal tubule. What is renal tubule? Renal tubule is the another name of nephron or uriniferous tubule, right? Yes. Then the next part, that is PCT. What is PCT? Proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule or first convoluted tubule. You can see here, this is Bowman's capsule. This Bowman's capsule, next to that Bowman's capsule, Yes, that is a convoluted region, that folded region, that we call it as proximal convoluted tubule or first convoluted tubule, first folding, right? Then this proximal convoluted tubule, what is the meaning of proximal? That is nearer to the nearer. The nearer to what? Nearer to the bowman's capsule. That's why the name came proximal convoluted tubule. Then both the bowman's capsule and proximal convoluted tubule lie in the cortex of kidney. We already learned, yes, that bowman's capsule lie in the cortex of the kidney. Then one more important structure, that is proximal convoluted tubule, that is also lie in the cortex region of the kidney. Then because of this PCT and bowman's capsule, kidney, the cortex of the kidney giving a dotted appearance in the sectional view. In the sectional view, yes, it is appearing like dots. The cortex region, yes, has dotted appearance. What is the reason that dotted appearance? Because of the presence of his bowman's capsule. What is there in the bowman's capsule? Yes, that blood capillaries are there, glomerulus. Glomerulus are there, that's why that is dotted in appearance. Loop of Henle, that is the another part of nephron. Here you can see in this picture, yes, there is a U-shaped structure. This U-shaped structure, we call it as loop of Henle. Then what are the specialities of this loop of Henle? It has no foldings, or it is not convoluted. It is not convoluted. It's shaped like hairpin. Then it runs in the medulla. What is the location where it is located? It is located in the medulla region of the kidney. It runs in the medulla to turn back and re-enter the cortex to continue into the next convoluted region of the tubule. That's why the location of loop of Henle, that is, it is located in the medulla region of the kidney. Medulla region of the kidney. Yes, the last part of nephron, that is distal convoluted tubule or DCT. The full form of DCT is distal convoluted tubule. Why the term distal? Distal means away from, away. That is the meaning. Then away from what? Away from bowman's capsule. Here it's nearer to the bowman's capsule. Which tubule is there? That is proximal convoluted tubule. Then away from the bowman's capsule, that is distal convoluted tubule. Because yes, after proximal convoluted tubule, there is a U-shaped structure, that is loop of Henle. Then after that, there is a folded structure, convoluted structure. That convoluted structure, we call it as distal convoluted tubule. Where is the location of distal convoluted tubule? These all locations are very important. You have to remember, that is a sure question in examination. What is the location of distal convoluted tubule? It is lying in the cortex region of the kidney. Yes, this distal convoluted tubule is also lying in the cortex region of the kidney. Then what all other structures located in cortex region of the kidney? One is bowman's capsule. Yes, that is Malpighian capsule and proximal convoluted tubule. Then proximal convoluted tubule, bowman's capsule and this distal convoluted tubule lying in the cortex region of the kidney. Yes, then the Henle's loop of Henle is located in the medulla region of the kidney. Then one more point you have to remember, it is the end part of the kidney tubule. Yes, which is the end part of kidney tubule? Yes, that is distal convoluted tubule. That is the end part of kidney tubule. It is away from the bowman's capsule. We already discussed. It opens into a collecting duct. Yes, it opens into a collecting duct. This region, we call it as collecting duct. Then distal convoluted tubule or DCT is the end part of kidney tubule or nephron. Then this DCT will connect into collecting duct. It will open into collecting duct. Collecting duct. What is collecting duct? It is a tubular structure present in the medulla region of the kidney. Here you can see this is the medulla region. Then the collecting duct is present in the medulla region. What is the function of this collecting duct? It receives the content of many kidney tubules. Here you can see many kidney tubules and pours it as urine in the pelvis of the kidney. Here you can see that pelvis region is then urine will pour into the pelvis of the kidney. Who will pour that? Collecting duct will pour the urine into the pelvis of the kidney. Then where it is located, this collecting duct is located in the medulla region. Then the Henle's loop is also located. We already learned that Henle's loop is also located in the medulla region. Then collecting ducts and Henle's loop lie in the medulla of the kidney. It gives a striped appearance in a sectional view. That's why medulla region is in striped appearance. We can go through the revision. Exam based questions and answers we can discuss here. Write the location of the following. First question, Henle's loop. Where it is located? It is located in the renal medulla. Or you can write medulla region of the kidney. Bowman's capsule. That is located in the renal cortex. Collecting duct. Where it is located? Renal medulla. Proximal convoluted tubule. Renal cortex. Distal convoluted tubule, again renal cortex. Then glomerulus. Where it is located? Glomerulus located in the cavities of Bowman's capsule in the cortex region of the kidney or renal cortex. Name the following. First question, the nodes of the kidney where ureter arise. Hilum. The technical term for urination. What is the technical term for urination? Micturition. The structural and functional unit of the kidney. Yes, nephron or kidney tubule. The knot-like mass of blood capillaries in the cup of the Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together called Malpighian capsule. Thank you children. Have a good day. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.